A Missouri man whose conviction was overturned is left in limbo. This week, a judge ordered Chris Dunn to be released from prison immediately. Well, 24 hours later, he is still behind bars. More than 3 decades ago, a St. Louis court convicted Dunn, sentencing him to life behind bars for a 15-year-old boy's murder.
But despite the recent overturned ruling, our Deon Broxton explains the next hurdle ahead as the Attorney General's office fights to keep Dunn locked up.
We're just so grateful. This has been such a long fight for decades.
But the fight isn't over for St. Louis native Chris Dunn's freedom. Monday, a judge ruled Dunn should be released immediately from a Missouri prison.
As you are all aware, Mr. Dunn isn't here with us today because he remains confined. In our view, the judge's order was very clear, ordering his immediate release.
St. Louis Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore vouched for Dunn's innocence in May. The Missouri Attorney General's office fought to uphold Dunn's 1991 murder conviction. Now the office is confirming to First Alert 4 it will appeal the judge's decision.
We're kind of in uncharted territory because, as I said, there's no legal basis for them to have filed the appeal in the first place.
It needs to be very clear what happens once the order is issued.
In 2021, Missouri passed a law allowing prosecutors to file a motion to vacate convictions based on clear and convincing evidence. Kevin Strickland and Lamar Johnson earned their freedom through this route, but the AG's office didn't challenge those judges' rulings.
Since this is so unprecedented, it's very difficult to know what does come next.
Dunn's lawyers say they will fight to dismiss the appeal. Until then, it's unclear if or when Dunn will be a free man again.
We are overjoyed, and at the same time, we're also afraid to really exhale until Chris actually takes his first free steps.
Deon Broxton, First Alert 4.
The Midwest Innocence Project started a GoFundMe for Chris Dunn. So far, it has raised more than $500 with a $5,000 goal. All proceeds will go to Dunn if or when he gets out of prison. The link is on our website right now, firstalerts4.com.